So hi team, this is a video demo regarding on when uploading a video on the social share. It's not showing here. So it should be showing when you upload a video, just like this. But when I tried to upload earlier, it's not showing up. So let's try. Let's create a test demo. Let's test if it is uploading. So let's select this category, videos UIG, and then active, yes, and then let's browse the video. Here is the video. It's an MP4. So the file size of the video is 44 MB. So when you play the video, it is playing here.
Why does it just
so it is working. So this is a good video. So let's upload the video. Let's wait for the confirmation that the video was uploaded successfully. So it says here, it's successfully added. So let's check the video that I uploaded. This is the video. So let's view. It's not showing here. So let's edit. If the video is found, it's not here. So let's go back to the category. So this is the video earlier that I was testing. It's also not showing. So if you check on the other client, they uploaded a video and it is showing here. So when you check, when you edit this, the video should show up here. So in this case, when you check here, it's not showing up. It's not added here. Let's cancel that because that is not the one. So if you check here, it's not here. So basically the video is not showing up, or it's not uploaded, or it's not showing up here. Okay, thank you.